Hey everyone, welcome back. Open Klarna and your entire transaction history is blank. No orders, no purchases, nothing slowing. Here's how to fix it. This blank transaction history is almost always either a stale app key or temporary server-side data sync issue. First, go to your settings and then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for 15 seconds and then turn it back off to force a completely fresh network connection. Then close Klarna from your recent apps and reopen it on a fresh connection, giving the home screen about 30 seconds to fully reload before checking your orders. In most cases, the transaction history repopulates immediately on a clean reload. If it's still blank after that, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, find the Klarna app through the list of apps, then tap Offload app and reinstall the app after offloading it from the App Store fresh to clear the local page entirely. Also check status.klarna.com in Safari, since blank transaction history has appeared during past Klarna backend incidents as a symptom of wider data loading issue. So all you've gotta do is airplane mode reset, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if it's still blank. And check Klarna status page if it's affecting everyone, and that's it. Subscribe.